you've also done, like, tried your hand at, like, you know, you did Heart of Stone, which was in Hollywood. We're seeing you so much on the global platform now, like the L'Oreal and everything. So is there any plans that you're going to do lots more of Hollywood movies, or how is it? Like, what's the thought process now?
I think it genuinely, like, the timing of when Heart of Stone came to me, I had some time and I was like, okay, it'll be an interesting opportunity to do a film like this, to kind of break into the scene a little bit. See, even when I did RRR, for example, it was to branch out into a new market, make yourself a little uncomfortable. Same with Heart of Stone, and same would be for any other film that I sign. It's not like meko Hollywood film karna hai or ye film karna hai. It's more about like, yeah, just keep second guessing yourself and keep making something more challenging and unnerving for yourself, so that you grow a little bit more in life. Otherwise it becomes too comfortable.
But English film, I mean, of course, you will do like whatever.
It depends on the script.
On the script.
I mean, suddenly
And the
now I'm
part
like
and-
little bit, how will I go? I can't like move bag and baggage and like travel for 3 months, 4 months also now. It's hard to do those things now. I can't just get up on a whim and do that. So it'll require a lot of planning.
Though Ranbir will be very happy to sit at home alone with Raha, I think, because he's just like obsessed. He's like, हाँ अभी तुम काम करो मैं घर पे हूँ.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. होना
But
चाहिए.
yeah, now it'll be difficult to do
Yeah,
that. I
it'll
know.
be difficult. But I mean, like, again, it depends on the story, it depends on the timing, and it depends on how badly I want to do it.
But also Alia's entering her action era is what I feel, with like the stunts that we see in the promo that you've done. Even I was like, oh my God, is that Alia? How is she doing this? Because we're so used to obviously seeing you in the beautiful glamorous roles and, you know, performance oriented roles and everything. But now I think with Jigra and Alpha.
Yeah.
So like, what is it? Is it like only action films, or how did you prepare for the stunts?
So Jigra में तो कुछ preparation था ही नहीं. It was like, on paper it was just situational, but then when I was reaching set, it was turning out to be some 4-rig shot and this ये करना और इस roof के ऊपर भागना है ये करना I was like, okay, what the hell? But I guess when you have to make a film really quickly, there's no time to prep and do rehearsals and stuff. So you just have to go there, give it your all and shoot. With Alpha, it's a totally different story, and of course that when the film comes, people will see. But there was this kida inside me कि यार, I want to myself see what I look like doing action, because it'll be not believable. Like, you'll be like, oh, she's so small, right? Who's she gonna hit?
But she's such a good actor. She can do anything.
But you know what I wanted to also say is that it's not like I'm trying to make some, like, you know, like some point physically. It's just like, actually, if the character is really endearing, entertaining, badass, the punches and kicks land the same way after that. But the story has to lend to that moment. I would not say action era, like abhi main sirf action film karne wali hu, but I'm like, why not? Like, why limit yourself? Chalo, even if I try and I fail, that's it. I just failed. No, it's not like I never tried it.
I'm sure it'll be amazing.